What's up? I have Scentbird. I haven't came with Scentbird in a while. I have so many Scentbirds, it's pathetic. Okay, with this Scentbird, I'm not sure, but they sent me another tube like this. Normally you only get a little canister that looks like that. Anyway, so I'm not sure what month is what, so I'm not going to say any months, but I have this fragrance here. They all come in the container looking like that. I think what happened is I signed up with them through, my payment's coming through PayPal now instead of my regular credit card, so they probably sent over another one. So to get it out, you just do that and then you pull it out. And this one is, Calvin Klein. So yeah, I'm not sure what month that was. I'm sorry guys, but these are, if you subscribe to a scent box, how much one you do? I do Scentbird. I know there's several out there, and like I said, it shows you how to, put it in the tube and things of that nature. It's really not all that hard. And it does have Scentbird right there. It also has their logo at the top of the little spray bottle, and they do come in the little pouch looking like that. Got some cards, looks like that. Back looks like that. Same with this one. This is okay. This one I think it's for January. I think this one is probably February. Yeah guys, so thanks for watching and sticking by my side on my channel. I'm going to try to upload more often for you guys. What day is best for you guys for me to upload videos? Let me know that below. And like I said, thanks for watching. Hey to my old subscribers, and if you're new here, thanks for stopping by. I have several videos you can look at. I also have playlists. Also, anyone, if you have any videos you want me to do, be sure to drop that below. Okay, drop that below, or get in my inbox either on YouTube, Facebook, whatever the case may be. Email me. I'm everywhere. And let me know if there's a video you want me to do. I'll get back with you and I'll let you know if I can do that or not. Everyone have a blessed day.